Now electromagnetic induction part second start with eddy current. In eddy current, it is the induced circulating current. Induced circulating current produced in a solid metal due to change in magnetic field in the metal. Suppose we have a metallic block and here ये हमारा induced circulating current है हमारे पास produce in a solid metal due to change in magnetic field in the metal. metal के अंदर क्या होगा, magnetic field change होगा. then we have B, and eddy current circulating in a metallic block. In induction furnace, eddy current are useful for melting iron ore, etc. Also, in speedometer used to measure the instantaneous speed of the vehicle. Mathematically, we can say that I equals to small e by r. Self-induction. Self-induction is the phenomenon of inducing EMF in the self coil. self coil में क्या है, EMF को induce करते हैं due to the change in current. Due to change in current and the change in magnetic flux in the coil. It is also called inertia of electricity as it opposes the growth or decay of current. current को opposes करता है या फिर उसकी decay of current. Phi equals to I, also known as phi equals to Li, where L is the constant of proportionality. SI unit is Henry H, and if L is equals to 1, L equals to phi. Also, in other terms, we can say that E equals to minus d phi by dt equals to minus L dl by dt, and if di by dt equals to 1, then L equals to E. Self-inductance in solenoid. In solenoid, we have a number of turns, number of coils. Magnetic field due to solenoid is B equals to mu naught n I, and L is the length between them. Magnetic flux linked across the one turn of the coil. 5 per turns क्या होगा, BA equals to BA mu naught n IA, and which is equals to mu naught n IA divided by L. For n turns के लिए n आ जाएगा, but phi equals to L1, then we get L equals to mu naught n square A by L. Also mu naught n square A I. Mutual induction. In mutual induction is the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in a circuit due to the change in magnetic flux. Due to change in magnetic flux में change होगा in its neighboring circuit, इसके पास में जो circuit होगा. As for example, suppose we have a one circuit and we have another circuit. So phenomenon of production of induced EMF in a circuit. इस circuit के अंदर जब induced EMF production तब होगा जब उसके neighboring में जो इस circuit है उसके अंदर क्या होगा, change in magnetic flux. Now mutual inductance. In mutual inductance, phi to 1 equals to L1 and phi to 1 equals to M L1. M क्या हो गया, constant of proportionality, and if L1 equals to 1, then M equals to phi. Mutual inductance is the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil when unit current flows through the primary coil. So E2 equals to minus d phi to 1 equal by dt, or E2 equals to minus M dl by dt. SI unit क्या होती है, SI unit is Henry H, and mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoid. In where we have two coils, first and second, A and P, point P, S solenoid, I and L is the distance between them. So for primary solenoid, we have B1 equals to mu naught and I L1. Secondary is phi to 1 per turn BI A. We have mu naught N1 I1 A by L. Now magnetic flux linked across n turns. इसमें magnetic flux के लिए क्या होगा, ये था magnetic field के लिए, ये क्या होगा magnetic flux के लिए. So phi to 1 equals to mu naught N1 N2 L1 A divided by L, ये I1 है. But phi to 1 equals to M21 I1, then we have M21 की जो वैल्यू होगी mu naught N1 N2 AL. Similarly M12 की होगी mu naught N1 N2 AL. So M equals to M12 equals to 1। सपोज प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कॉइल्स के लिए M क्या होगा, बोथ आर इक्वल।